Hi folks, welcome back. It's just like Christmas. As you can see, all the shiny bits are back for the engine. Head's been all skimmed, valves removed, decaulked, all re-lapped in. Got a new crank pulley, anti-vibration crank pulley. One headset, all the gaskets and seals. One new cylinder head gasket. And this little box of goodies is all the gaskets that's not covered by the headset, i.e. water pump and all the other bits and bobs. There you go. Main oil, engine oil seal and all the other little ancillary seals. And one new timing chain set, which consists of 3 chains, 4 tensioners, well, 2 tensioners and 4 guides. Chain guides. Nip outside, and there's Simba there, enjoying himself in the sun. And a shiny new engine block. We'll wheel it out, as you can see. Brand spanking new piston in cylinder 1. The other 2 just replaced the rings and the end shells. Yeah, it's had to replace the crank. The crank was too far gone, so new crank, new end shells, 1 piston, 4 sets of rings, 4 sets of shells. So another casualty of it throwing the shell, the oil pump. It seems the oil pump somehow managed to, can only assume it jammed at some point, because the main shaft that drives the oil pump on the crank chain, the pulley, the actual main shaft that goes through is twisted. You can actually move, when you take the oil pump apart, you can actually move the paddle without the cog moving. So it's too far gone to save, so could do a new oil pump but can't get one. As you can see, new crank, all shells, everything all lapped in, all torqued down, just ready to put back together again. So I just need the oil pump now to connect back up, and then we can get the sump back on it. But I'm going to leave the sump nut off it just now and build the rest of the engine up, so that I can make sure the timing and everything's okay. But I've got a neighbour on the case who works for BMW, maybe be able to get me a pump from somewhere. I don't know, they've got better contacts than I have. So that's scrap. So back inside, I said the head, as I say, been pressure tested and whatnot. He's took all the valves out, checked them all, made sure that they're all straight and true, and especially piston 1, obviously, which we think was slapping the head. It's all been lapped in, decaulked. Well, all that's been away. I've gave the inside of the engine bay a quick clean up, so everything's all nice and clean to accept the engine back in again. And on top of all that, well, getting all that done, I've had to have a new central heating boiler at home. Put the lid back in that box so it doesn't get knocked over. So yeah, as I was saying, new central heating boiler. So I've had to empty my paint shelves, my toolboxes and everything below to get to the central heating filter and stuff like that. So I've got stuff lying everywhere, got boxes everywhere. So all this lot and all that lot that I just showed you has got to somehow go under that bonnet somewhere. So I'm sure I'll remember how I took it apart. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the wee video. If you did, give us a like and a subscribe. So from me and Simba, ta-ra for now. Take care folks, bye.